Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Hyundai Getz XS 5-door hatch, stock reference number 5109. This shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through to the 9th month 2011. It has a G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet has 3 small dents. Left power door mirror, left front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left front door has 1 small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.